How to change the screen resolution in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to switch to a different resolution to suit your display or preference. First, right-click on any empty space on your desktop and select Display Settings. From there, scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. After that, click on the drop-down next to Display Resolution. At this point, you'll see a list of available resolutions supported by your monitor. The one marked Recommended is the native resolution of your display and usually gives the sharpest picture. From here, tap on whichever resolution you want to switch to. Following this, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to keep the new resolution or revert back. Click Keep Changes if everything looks good, or wait a few seconds and it will automatically revert if you don't confirm. After that, if you have multiple monitors connected, scroll up and click on each display in the diagram at the top to select it and set a different resolution for each one separately. Finally, keep in mind that using a resolution lower than your monitor's native one can make things look slightly blurry or stretched, so sticking with the recommended option is usually the best choice for clarity. That's how you change the screen resolution in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.